sometimes he just be trying to fucking torture me and shit. Yeah, I think she just fucking tell. I don't think she give a fuck what I'm into no more. She's like, man, fuck that. We're not shooting shit up again. Maybe we just gonna watch a bunch of bitches run around. I don't want to see that shit, man. Yeah, I fall asleep on mama and shit. Mama turn around, look back at me. I'm not. I started to beat this shit out me today, yo. I beat this shit out me. Man, listen. Y'all unsubscribe, subscribe. Like I said, I be doing shit on there. I usually be more lit than us. Y'all kind of catch me winding down time. Midnight munchies. I don't even got the munchies. But, yeah. Yeah, damn. Like I said, I usually be more lit than us right now. I just like winding down. I'm about to do some oil pulling with this coconut oil. You know, right before bed. Make sure my teeth nice and pretty white. Nice, challenge, if you smash an egg on your head, I'll donate $250. Word? I know that's right. I know that's right. Unfortunately, this ain't that kind of life. This ain't that. This ain't that. But I accept super chats though. Yeah. Yeah, tomorrow night, when I go back live and I got everybody in here, we back litty, like how we usually do. I'm only doing super chats, so I ain't be able to see y'all messages. So I probably ain't even gonna come in and hang out. Yeah. The super chat should be lit though. Because motherfuckers really be talking about shit. They really be saying some shit, some good shit. But like good thought provoking conversation. That should be hard as fuck to come by. Anywho, I think I finna call it a night, y'all. Oh shit, I lied. I'm not calling it a night. I forgot I can't call it a night. Yeah, I got my pillows inside the washing machine. So I gotta wait for this shit to finish wash. Then I got the goddamn come over here. I got my blankets and shit, the sheets for the bed, you know. What up, Putin? That what I said, Putin? Putin 69. You know what? I got a design for you. I got a design just for you. Check this out. You gonna like this. You gonna like this. Check it out, check it out, check it out, check it out. What you think? What you think? What you think? What you drink? What you drink? What you drink? What you drink? What you think? Kingsley. What up, Kingsley? What's happening with you? Yeah, yeah, yeah. And last but not least, ta-da! That's what I'm wearing Monday.